Introducing e-voting with Proxy Advisory Recommendations on NSDL's Speedy Mobile App and e-voting web portal too.
NSDL's e-voting platform has long empowered Demat account holders to vote on company resolutions anytime, anywhere, eliminating postal delays and boosting shareholder participation. Launching Proxy Advisor Insights directly on NSDL's e-voting platform. Who are proxy advisors? Proxy advisors, expert research firms, were mostly available only to large institutional investors. Individual shareholders had to visit multiple proxy advisor websites or vote with limited information. Proxy advisors in India cover over 1,000 companies, and their expert recommendations are now available to all shareholders right within NSDL's e-voting system via the NSDL Speedy app and NSDL's e-voting web portal. Here's how it works.
Log in to NSDL Speedy app or e-voting web portal.
Access the e-voting feature. While voting, you'll see an option. Vote as per proxy advisor's recommendation. Choose a proxy advisor. Your votes will be auto-filled, favor or against, based on their expert analysis. Review, edit or confirm. You remain in control. It's your vote, your choice, just with better guidance. Why this matters? You make smarter, more informed decisions on complex resolutions. You vote with confidence backed by expert insights. It promotes transparency and corporate accountability. This simple yet powerful feature makes voting easier, smarter, and more impactful. Empower yourself with the guidance of India's top proxy advisors. Let's participate, let's vote, let's be the change we want to see in corporate India.